Looking for a new business? Buy and operate your own Hologram Zoo. Hologram Zoo is a new sort of entertainment center that uses the latest hologram technology to make life-sized hologram animals made out of laser light. It's currently the world's fastest growing entertainment chain, with 45 hologram zoos worldwide in its first year. Customers are overjoyed by what they see. Visit Africa, swim with the hippos, go underwater, or even go back to the time of the dinosaurs. Time magazine awarded Hologram Zoo the best new entertainment technology in the world. It's easy to run, with only 2 staff members, and it can take around 84 customers in an hour. You rent a building, we set up the equipment, then you open to the public. Our Sydney trial made $350,000 US in just 42 days and had 25,000 visitors. If running one of the world's most high-tech new businesses is something that you might be interested in, please contact us for more information.